trying to do a K. It's like, hola. Hola.
I love the chickens that are just chilling here.
Hola. Can I touch your claw? No? Okay. Hola.
I don't know if he bites.
Oh yeah, by the way, when I turned around and the chickens multiplied, there was like 3 under here. Now there's 1 again.
Yeah.
Hola.
Look at this
Hola.
big ass tail, man.
Hola.
Oh my god!
¿Qué pasó? Can you see it? Hola.
¿Qué pasó?
¿Cómo estás?
Look at the cute chicken over there. Move, I can't see. It's so cute. The chicken. ¿Qué pasó?
Hola.
That might be just all he knows. I'm looking at his tail.
Hola.
Oh good, they have little compartments in here for stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
All it said so far is hola. And it like came up into my face and laughed at me.
Hola, amigo.
¿Qué pasó?
Hola.
Say it. Maybe you hear it say
Hola.
what's up.
So pretty.
She's like, yeah, I'm pretty. Slap you.
Hola.
Hola.
No sé qué pasó.
What?
¿Qué pasó?
I need credit cards from somebody.
I like my bird. Every time I say something funny, it laughs.
Yeah.
There's this one parrot that my friend
I'm
has.
gonna need a piece of